I contributed on excessive amount of I contributed excessively to stop. I've made on excessive number of penances to surrender on the off chance that fantasies were simple, everyone would make them happen. The issue in that most individuals I observe a great many people they can't get up toward the beginning of the day. They got no energy. I am scrolling through the air terminal, running practically out the best majority that I win at the point I have the energy to stay aware of me. I am similar to ain't nothing I mess with you. You just ain't got the endurance, you just ain't got the energy. You can't kin all that, you can't I will take all that, you can't few. Stuff is simply you gotta be incredible, and there's some stuff that you gotta have snap on the floor, and afterward you just as will moderate. It's going to take you too long. You can take you 3 weeks to do what it can take to 24 hours to do it. Don't make you an awful individual. In any case, you are going perpetually be normal. Since to be extraordinary you had the chance to keep up. I mean, you have so your significance and your predetermination a few dollars. You can't get to the following level, cause whenever someone attracts some font of your face, you surrender, take all your energy for the fantasy, cause you needn't bother with it. And so if the second things I can instruct you is for each fantasy you have, take at last a week or 30 days and record it and everything that it's going to take to get it going. And I need you to know something. After you compose everything down, you actually have not composed everything down, cause you don't have the foggiest idea what's going to occur. Those life regularly breaks you in light of the fact that at the point when it hit you need prepared. Yet in the event that you prepared on the off chance that you stay prepared, you ain't had the chance to prepare on the off chance that you stay prepared and you stay stopped off. When you hear awful news, for them don't break you since you as of no import. You need to eat the fantasy, you need to rest the beverage, you need to dream the fantasy. You got a contact, you have to see it when no one else sees it. You need to feel it when it's definitely not unmistakable. You need to trust it when you can't see it. You gotta be controlled with the tree. You are not going to be the best, you are not going to get the best in case you are not purposeful and conscious. What's more, there are those of you and your space, and whatever you are attempting to do, you don't address the best in your space. You still not giving on to the 20 you're advising. Takes to good and attempt to figure the female that is the awesome. Furthermore, you are awakening and giving me something percent. You are giving me any percent. However, yet you have those fantasies that you're going to be the best. Stop mentioning to me what you are going through. The incredible breadth they get to it, they go through it, and the harder it's the better. No morning timer required. My awful, I got up to 3 o'clock toward the beginning of today. No clock, I need the check in 20 years. My enthusiasm awakens me, my drive holds up. You want my assurance was my capacity to be doing application anything I desire. It awakens me what might you need, what drives you, why are you playing is daddy. That fantasy that you have, that cash that you need, if you are going to get it going, you are going to need to do where we go. Put in work in light of the fact that each time you put in work you got something very similar outcomes. You paid, you get remunerated.